Are the changes to the Dash Pass affecting you? Let's talk about it. The Dash Pass is mainly for kids with autism or similar challenges by giving them a time to come back to a ride so they don't have to wait in line. If you can't use the Dash Pass anymore, there are other ways to get help. The last method I will talk about in this video seems to be the most useful. You could ask a Disney worker for a return time just like the Dash Pass gives people. You tell them why you can't wait in a line and they might give you a time to come back. The biggest difference is that the Dash Pass gives a return time without asking cast members, and people can schedule return times with the app. And it's tough when lines are crowded and you're trying to get through the line with a mobility scooter. Some lines are so narrow that scooters or wheelchairs barely fit. It is hard or even impossible to join someone who's holding your spot. Some rides have special lines for scooters or wheelchairs. Disney idea still doesn't seem practical to me. Wouldn't it be better if people with scooters or wheelchairs could wait at the ride's entrance instead? Disney also suggests using Rider Switch. This lets guests wait with someone who cannot ride the ride or be alone, but it's only for certain rides. You go to the cast member at that line entrance with your whole group, and then they split you all up into two groups. The first group rides first and the second group waits. There is a 2% max in the second group. Because I don't like options like this, at the end of the video I will share what I think Disney should have done for people who cannot use these options. Do you think Rider Switch will help you? As many people know, Disney is suggesting Genie Plus. It is a paid service that helps plan your trip and gets you on the ride faster. If you have used it, tell us what you think of it. I don't like how Disney is pushing people with disabilities to pay for this. It seems like they just want to make more money.
How rude.
Everything at the park is already so expensive. For solo travelers, Disney suggested using the solo rider line. From my experience, it didn't save me much time. Sometimes I waited longer than people in the regular line, and sometimes the solo line wasn't even available, which was really frustrating. This small channel YouTuber said you can request for accommodations on the Disney app. A Disney mobility worker said that people who used to have the Dash Pass can get help after having a personal video call. They provide options for people who even have to unexpectedly leave the line. You can talk to the team 30 days before your trip or even on the day you visit. These seem like the best choices I found. Disney could do better. They should offer refunds to people who decide not to go because they do not meet the Dash Pass requirements anymore. You have to pay just to apply for the Dash Pass, so it is risky to buy expensive tickets without knowing if you could get approved. This is tough, especially for people with autism who still might not get approved. I will also make a stricter version of the Dash Pass for those who do not qualify anymore. Maybe only for rides with long waiting times. It could be based on specific needs, like if someone has to use the bathroom often. This could stop people from lying about disabilities while still helping those who need it. I would find better ways to catch liars, like having workers check social media for people encouraging others to lie. There could even be a website where people could report it with proof. I also think there should be room for people sensitive to heat, with a trained worker ready to call for medical help and maybe offer a snack if needed for low blood sugar, and of course lots of fans. If you're still watching, go ahead and like, click on this video, or subscribe to continue the journey with us.